What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For this product I'm very excited for, only because I've had this before. This is the roar pedal throttle controller. So I've had this on the Elantra. This is the box right here, front cover, scratched up because when I was trying to open the package I used my knife and to cut open the packaging, it kind of messed the box, but all good. I'm not keeping the box anyways. It says wake up your car right there. So you just open it up, pull the flap right there, and then it's like a foam piece. I don't know why none of it's covered like that. It's so weird. So what you get inside the box, oops, you get this 3M double-sided little tape right here. I'm assuming just to put this thing anywhere you want in your car as long as it sticks. You get a sticker by Roar Pedal. I'm not sponsored by any way by this brand. I'm just, I don't know, super in love with the brand because I've known what it does with a turbo car, a 4-cylinder car on the Elantra. Now I'm gonna find out what it does on a V8. I've seen a lot of good things on Hemis and everything and SRTs. Says it makes them feel like the higher model. So we're gonna see what this is gonna feel like because there is no higher model to this car. So here it is, the product itself, the Roar pedal. And you can get it in red or you can get it in black. I got it in red last time. My car has a black interior, so I decided to get it in black. I think it looks freaking sick. Got that aside. It's gonna have like a little plug-in spot. And this is a Type C. So what else you get in the packaging? You get another one, 3M double-sided. You get a Roar pedal, do you love your product? A warranty card. And then here's a user guide. So basically, to keep it all basic, you let your car sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let the ECU reset completely before you do anything. Unlock the car. Do not turn on the car at all. Take off the pedal cable that's behind your pedal. Depending what car you got, your user manual or on YouTube you can find out how to remove it. But on mine it's pretty simple. You remove that cable. You intercept it with this one. So this is my 2012 5.0 Hyundai Genesis. It's a little bit dirty, I know, bear with me. We're gonna remove, for my car, remove that. So I had to take off the cap. You saw me take that off. And then, not sure the size of the bolt. This is, let me see, what size is this? Oh, it's a 10, so a 10mm bolt. So you just get it. So uncomfortable it is in this car. And it's super humid. It's been raining for a couple of days, a whole storm going on. It's literally my birthday weekend, but this weather don't care. I don't care whose birthday it is. It is what it is. There's the end of that. Let's see. Take the bolt off. The Elantra had no bolt, it just had a wire in the back, but this one's gonna be a little bit different. I'm going to Alright, so I finally got it to give in. It was like that. I just had to like pop it up somehow. And there's the throttle cable right there. So there's little clips on the sides. You squeeze them and pull. There goes that. And then here comes your throttle cables. This one you're gonna hold it aside. This one is gonna go on right here. Oh, sorry, this will be this one. So make sure it's snug in. And then the next one. So I got it hooked on. Bro, it's so hot right now, bro. I swear to God. Here's the Type C connection. Plug it in. And I don't have a position yet where I'm going to put it. Maybe I'm going to put it like right here somewhere. Or up here. Not quite sure yet. But I'm going to hook it up right now. Find the positioning. And actually, let's see how this works real quick. So once it's all plugged in, car's been sitting for a while. Hasn't been turned on. I got the keys already. Step on the brake. So I'm not gonna cut any of that from the video, what you just saw. I accidentally put that cable right there, that back one, I put it backwards. So it clicks in both ways, but it's supposed to only go one way. So when I turned it on earlier, so here it goes. So here we are back in the car. We got all our different modes. You guys can run through there. So what we're gonna do, currently have it on NO, which is normal mode. And then there's all these settings, right? As you read on the paper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test them all one by one, starting off from normal. And then you can see this number right here on the side. So that's how aggressive you want each mode to be. 9 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. What we're gonna do is test them all on 5. And once we get to race mode and the higher ones, we'll go back to 9 and rerun them and see the difference between 5 and 9 on the higher models, the higher modes. And we're just gonna take it from there. So we're going back to normal mode, and we'll put you guys on the top view, the top POV, and we just go for a run and see how this goes. So you can see that I'm not messing with you guys, but I'm sweating, bro. Like, it's freaking hot. So the whip is plugged up with the roar pedal. Like, a little update. Had to swap the mirrors before going to drive. Both mirrors got swapped because the motor was broken. I don't know if you guys remember, but my videos I used to have like a motor sound on this, so I had to swap them. Old school manual. The other motor was so messed up, it kept moving every single time I turned on the car, turned it off. That was an issue. I couldn't drive like that no more, so I'd rather just downgrade to these. But to me it was like an upgrade because the other one was already peeling up in paint. It's a little bit better condition. It came from a salvage car on eBay, so it's about 100 a piece. Got those in. Currently, another problem I have with the car is my lock on the passenger door. It's starting to mess up, so when it locks, it makes like a loud buzzing noise. A lot of Genesis owners probably know about that. So I have that already in the garage. We're swapping that to make it brand new as well. And then one other main problem was my stereo, the knob. Another problem with this car, it's defective on that. The knob ends up breaking. So that's one of the next things I'm gonna do. If you guys can see the knob right there for the navigation. So yeah, mirrors in. Lock getting fixed, the control right there for the stereo navigation, roar pedals in. We're about to run it right now. Like I said, yes sir, cat's coming off soon too, so I'm excited about that. Still got the old tires though, that's a problem. They're 255 by 55, so this huge sidewall, it's not helping me at all. It's just a waste. Tread starts way the heck up here. But if I had a 275 how I was supposed to have, I had an order canceled on me. I mentioned in the old video, I'm not how do I say it? I'm not gonna get it. I did try to get it, but the order got canceled. They messed up the order, and then they canceled my 275s. I was gonna get a size of 275 45 by 18, so it would have been a thinner sidewall, but it would have been way wider. So I'm still gonna go after those, saving some money right now after all the mods I bought and the roar pedal, and then especially with the next thing I got as well. So stay tuned to that. The next video as well, something else coming up. Oh, got the front badge to match with the rear badge. I had one in the rear, but I put one in the front now too. So it's looking clean. Got clean the headlights. So just doing a whole full review right now on the whip right now. Everything I have, what I've done, what it needs. So cats are next. I got the thing that's already coming into the mail. My next video, I can't spoil that. Watch that. Logo, new mirrors, the new lock mechanism, and then I need the little wheel. So, and tires, of course. All right, let's do the runs. This is normal mode right now currently. There is no sensitivity level. This is just what the car is supposed to do normal. I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but I did accidentally turn on the check engine. When I plugged in that wire backwards, I guess it tricked it to turn it on, because it runs smooth. There's nothing wrong with this. There's no sound. There's nothing wrong. You know what I'm saying? The light was off, but now that I started recording a few hours later from the install, it just magically popped up. But I'm pretty sure it's from putting the cable in backwards. So I'm gonna let you guys know on my next video, on my next product that I introduced to the channel. I'm gonna present to you guys that it will turn off. It just to guarantee it. Like, if you see it right now, I promise you it will be gone by the next video. So don't worry about that if you can see it. We're gonna take this turn right now. We're gonna go down the avenues. So normal mode is just nothing special, just normal. Let's see, put this thing back on. Work our way up. We're gonna try SA5, which is eco mode. I don't know why they got a sensitivity for eco mode. It should just be one standard so you can save gas, but they say a 20% gas savings on eco mode compared to normal. So we're gonna give it a try right now and see how this works. And then from normal mode, we're gonna work our way up to Sport, Sport Plus, and Race mode. And yeah, let's see how this works. Man, this traffic is so slow right now. So I'm trying to see, I don't know if you guys can hear me letting go of the throttle, but I'm trying to see if it got quicker already on the throttle response just by putting it into eco mode. But I don't know, it feels pretty standard. It might be a bit better because it's on sensitivity 5 on eco mode, but let's go on to the next one. We're gonna work our way up kind of quick because there's a lot of modes here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull over right here. All right, so now we are in sport mode, which is HA. All right, that was 2,000 RPM. That does not feel like a regular 2,000 RPM. This is sport mode on 5. Oh, nah, this car feels so good now. Let me put the window down. So we're still on sport mode. 5 sensitivity. It seems to be running super good on 2,000 RPM. So now what we're gonna do, go into Sport Plus. Now we gotta do FU. No offense, this is the name of the mode. So this is FU, which is Sport Plus, and we're on sensitivity 5 out of 9. This thing revs up so quick, like it drops down gear a lot quicker. As soon as you hear that rev getting so loud like that, it's because it's dropping gear, it's getting ready to kick. So like, I'm hitting it. So like, you hear it instant. Back then you would hit it, and then it's like that slow, that half a second wait, and then boom. Or like a full second wait and boom. Because it's looking for the gears, waiting for the throttle and all that stuff to build up. This is just boom. And this is only Sport Plus. It's not even race mode yet. I'm gonna turn off traction control and do like a half throttle. This is still Sport Plus. Full setting, full send. Woo! So this thing is booking. We moving. This roll pedal worked on this V8 pretty good. I had a dual clutch on the Elantra, and I really didn't want to break that transmission because of front wheel drive. And I had trouble when I broke the Jetta transmission. I had to get the warranty to fix it, the dealership. So I wasn't trying to go through all that trouble with the Elantra, so I took care of it. I babied it. I got rid of the roar pedal on it, but this one for sure is gonna stay on. I love the way it feels. And like I told you guys before, we're getting runs for the channel. I don't know if you guys see my shorts, but I've been posting a lot of shorts on my YouTube. And I got a lot of runs on there. Check them out. Those are my runs. They're not copied runs from no one else. Those are mine when I was bone stock. So I'm gonna get another run with the Corvette. I'm not sure if he's still bone stock, but he says he has a lot of mods coming in. It's a LS2. I'm not sure what year it is. It's like 07 or something like that. And we're gonna rerun it with the new mods, the drop-in intake and everything, and the exhaust, blah blah blah, like I said in the video. So yeah, so that's basically it. We're still on race mode. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna tune it down, you know, so I can daily this, because this is still a little too torquey for me. We gotta get used to it a little bit. But I'm gonna say it works amazing on the V8, way better than a turbo car. It works on any car, don't get me wrong, it works on any car. But when your car is old like this, the response is slower. When you have a big V8, the response is slower. And it makes sense how a lot of Dodge people do it. And I did it now. Response is way quicker. Feels like a different vehicle. This Mustang trying to run it, bro. Stop, bro. Literally a V6. I had to let go of the throttle, bro. I can't punk him like that. Yeah, so we got more runs for the channel coming up pretty soon. I got something planned out for you guys. I'm rerunning a C6 that I have on my YouTube shorts. So if you guys haven't checked those out, please check them out. I got races there, I got mods there, I got everything. Bunch of short clips. Make sure you guys check that out. Show your support, show your love, you know, like, share, comment, subscribe, for sure, subscribe. Hit the bell icon, because, you know, YouTube keeps turning it off on a lot of people. Make sure you guys stay up to date. Check out my new mod that's coming in pretty soon. I'm gonna put that in the next video, coming in a couple days, after you guys see this one, of course. And yeah, some racing videos as well. So stay tuned for this weekend, this coming up week, and you guys will be seeing some pretty good content with this Genesis. We're gonna see how fast this car really is. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.
Yeah.